Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Identity high back leather manager chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters, mechanism, 4 50mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 1 small Allen key, 1 large Allen key, 4 22mm bolts, 4 30mm bolts. Some of the bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, place the seat pad on top of the backrest like this and attach the arms using the 50mm bolts. It's important that you do not fully tighten these bolts at this point. With the arms fitted to the seat pad, swing the backrest into position and put in the 4 30mm bolts. Once the bolts are inserted, tighten up all loose bolts. Now, attach the mechanism to the seat base, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat, and secure using the 4 22mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps into the holes in the armrests. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Identity high-back leather manager chair is ready to use from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.